Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick but super useful skill, how to label your X and Y axes in Google Sheets fast. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your charts clear and professional so your data tells the right story at a glance. Whether you need this for presentations, reports, or just to keep yourself organized, this is a must-know trick. Let's jump right in. So first things first, you should already have your chart created in Google Sheets. Maybe it's a bar chart, a line graph, whatever suits your project. If you haven't made the chart yet, just select your data and use the Insert menu to create one. But for now, let's assume your chart is right there in your sheet, ready to go. Now to start editing, simply double-click directly on your chart. You could also right-click and select Edit Chart. Both ways will open up that chart editor panel on the right side of your screen. This is the control center for all things chart-related in Google Sheets, so get comfortable navigating here. Next, look for the Customize tab up at the top of that panel. Click on it. This is where you'll unlock all the creative and descriptive features for your chart. If you're new to Google Sheets charts, this area might look a bit packed, but don't worry, we're focusing just on what we need today. When you're in the Customize section, look for Chart and Axis titles in the list. It might sound like a small detail, but this is where you give your chart its identity. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu asking what part of the chart you like to label. It usually starts with Chart Title by default. So go ahead and enter a name for your chart. This is your chance to sum up what your data is about in just a few words, like monthly sales performance or survey results 2024. A good title instantly gives your audience context, making your chart feel polished and purposeful. Once your chart has a name, let's move to the axis labels. These are absolutely key for clarity. First, select horizontal axis title from that same dropdown. This is typically your x-axis running across the bottom of your chart. Label it with what that axis represents, like months, categories, or time in hours. This way, anyone glancing at your chart can immediately understand what the spread along the bottom means without having to guess. Now onto the vertical axis, which is your y-axis, the line going up along the left side. In that same drop-down menu, pick vertical axis title. Here, type in what the numbers or items on this axis mean, such as total sales, number of responses, or temperature degrees C. Again, the more precise you are, the better. It helps people grasp your chart's message without any confusion. And that's it. You should now see your updated titles and axis labels right on your chart. Take a quick moment to make sure everything's spelled correctly and that the labels are genuinely helpful. If you need to adjust the wording or swap to a different axis, you can always come back and tweak anytime. It's all editable. So there you go. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your Google Sheets chart from generic to informative and presentation ready. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.